Hey everyone, if you follow me, you know I'm a huge fan of mixing patterns, and today we're making a Boho Wanderlust scarf with several scraps of fabric. We're also using a bunch of different beads from my Curiosities subscription bead boxes from John Bead. The first thing we're going to do is cut 1.5 to 2 inch wide strips of different fabrics. This is a spring summer scarf, so I'm using soft, light fabrics and only making it about 10 inches wide. Kind of like a funky necklace that matches everything in your wardrobe and can keep you warm when they crank up the AC at the office. Start by serging 2 strips together at a time. I love how fast the serger stitches things together and cuts off the excess threads. Now start stitching the double strips together, and as you can see, I'm not worrying about what side of the scarf the stitching is on. I want the threads and seam allowance to be seen on both sides. To add even more color, I'm going to serge the strips together using bright pink, green, and yellow threads. Once it's all stitched together and pressed, even out the edges. With the extra strips and scraps, I'm cutting 8 to 10 inch long strips to create the fringe. You'll need 10 strips per scarf, which is 5 on each side. On the serger, I'm going to stitch them into long triangles. So for the first pass, stitch from the end of the strip to the center of the other end. Next, I'll finish each long triangle. As you can see and probably already know, it's much easier to do these in a long row. Cut them apart and place the long triangles on the end of the scarf. Don't worry if they're the same length or facing the same direction, it's not going to matter. Stitch the 5 triangles along each end of the scarf and then carefully tie a knot at the end of each scarf, making sure to hide the seam inside of the knot. Now I'm going to pick out a ton of different beads to add to each end of the long triangles and to embellish the long edges of the scarf. The Curiosity subscription bead boxes from John Bead are amazing. They're filled with so many different beads, and they are the perfect way to inspire your work. Once you've picked out some beads, fold up and stitch the tip of the long triangle and add a slip knot. Add a bead and a smaller stopper bead. Then go up through the larger bead again, stitch it to the tip of the triangle, and add another slip knot. Wrap the end of the triangle about 10 times with your thread and secure the thread, and repeat on the next triangle. When your fringe is finished, start adding beads along the edge of the scarf. I'm using 5 to 8 millimeter beads with stopper seed beads, and then I'm stitching along the serged edge about 2 inches and adding another bead. Do this all along each side of the scarf. This will add weight to the scarf and even more interest. Actually, at the last minute, I decided to add beads every inch for more weight and more interest, and I really like the way it looks. There you go, my Boho Wanderlust beaded scarf. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'd love to know what you would wear this with. Make sure to check out John Bead and their Curiosities subscription bead boxes. They're amazing, and I love getting mine every single month. I'm gonna leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want to see content that I don't post anywhere else, check out my Patreon page. And for inspiration, grab any one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts,
and I will see you real soon. Bye.